guys, welcome back. This is Certik Airdrop. Guys, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to participate on Certik Airdrop. Certik Airdrop has already raised over 240 million US dollars and total $2 billion valuation. This airdrop is going to pay huge, so you need to follow the whole steps and you'll be able to participate in this airdrop. You can earn up to 1,000, 2,000 US dollars if you participate very well on this airdrop. All you need to do, click on the link below in the description of this video. Is going to bring you down to my Telegram community. Over here on Telegram, you'll be able to see this particular post. You'll be able to join this project. Now remember, this project has already been online. They verify all the projects, they do audit for project, any project they do audit for it, and they are planning to release their own token. So in a way to get this done, you need to start accumulating points. So this is the link here. When you copy this particular link, you go straight to your browser. I'm going to be using Mrs. browser to do this particular airdrop. Now here on my Mrs. browser, I will go ahead and paste this link. I just copied up here. When you paste the link, do well to load the site. You can see the site is loaded, skynet.certik. Now once it's loaded like this is how it's going to look like. You can create your own account by putting your email address. You put a password that will be at least minimum of 8 characters, and it can contain letters and numbers. If you do that, put it email, put your password, click on this. So I'm not going to be using this option. I will scroll down to use Google email. This is to use my Google account already. I'm going to use this Google. Once you click on it, it's going to load. You can see right now loading. So once the thing loads, you will be able to select your email address, the one that is available here. If you don't have email login, you will need to log in email if you use that option. Now while it's processing, we'll be able to click on continue. Now I just sign in. You can see sign into certik.author.us. So it's now processing to sign in. When you connect, this is how it's going to look like. I have connected my account. You can see log out. Account is connected. So there are things you need to do here, guys. First, this is connect social accounts. Click on connect here. It will bring out your Telegram. It will bring out your Discord and X, which is Twitter. So I will start with X. I'll be able to connect my X account. So if you don't have those accounts, go ahead and create them, download them from Play Store. You can have accounts in those social media. Because as long as you're doing Web3, you need those accounts. I'm waiting for things to pop up so I can authorize. Now you can see Certik Skynet wants to access your X. Click on authorize the app. Now it's going to return me back since I have connected in. I'm going to connect another account. This one is connected. Discord is the next I will be connecting. So I will wait for Discord to load completely, then I will go ahead and connect. Scrolling down, I will be able to authorize this action. You can see it now. It's going to authorize and connect. It is done. I connected that one as well. The next one is going to be Telegram. You see this 2 account is connected. I'm going to go straight to connect Telegram. Okay, I just accepted that. Okay guys, I've been able to connect the whole account. You can see the whole account is connected. Okay, this one will reflect later. I have authorized the connecting. I will check it later. This is email. You can go ahead and link your email. They have MetaMask, they have Wallet Connect, and they have BINÁNCE Wallet. So I will go straight to use MetaMask on my Mrs. browser. So I will just use MetaMask. It's asking me to connect. I will be able to connect and confirm. I will now sign in. I have connected. I I'll go ahead and sign in. Okay guys, I will be able to confirm from here. Now you see wallet is connected. There are the important things you need to do for you to connect your account. The other things you will be doing here is to do quests. Scrolling down here, you'll be able to see where they have quests. This one is inviting friends. You can click on this, you'll be able to invite your friends. You can now copy this and share with your friends. Once they join, they will give you some percentages of their quest. These other tags, this particular one is it has about 5 quests inside there. This one 000, this one 5. Alright guys, you are going to come back to where you have discovering downside. Click on the discovering. It's going to bring you down to the homepage where you can see other things that this platform offers. So for the quest, you click on this. There's a more by your right side. Click on it. You scroll up, you see other information. You can see profile, resources, tools, watch list, token scan, calendar, fundraising. Then this is quest. Click on quest. When you click on quest, it's going to load. So it's popped up like this. For you to set up a username, you can type whatever you like. Over here, you can type whatever you like. I'm going to allow this to remain. I'll click on save. Now you see username changed successfully. You can now see daily tasks here. They have about 6 plus to end here. So this is this one is vote on one project. From here, you'll be able to earn 1 point. Then this other one, browse 2 projects, you earn 2 points, 1 point as well. All these are 1 point they are giving you. You see the requirements, so you can go ahead and start performing the whole tasks. These are daily tasks that comes every single day. Okay, now you see coming back here, I have gotten this one by browsing about 2 projects. You can go ahead and claim. It will ask you for security verification, so I will wait for it to bring out the captcha so I can verify it. It's still verified, so now click on this. You can see I have been able to claim this particular one. You take time and check out all these tags every day. You can do the one you will be able to do and leave the rest. This one is explore new launches, so you are going to check out some of the new launches in this particular platform. Over here, you'll be able to check out some of these new launches. If you check them finish, you will be able to get that particular one. So after doing all this, you'll be able to claim your tax. I just finished claiming some of the tax. Now with these guys, you'll be able to earn a lot of points. Check in every day and you'll be able to see some tax to do. With this, you can get as many as possible. These are fundraising. You will check out so many informations here that can also be useful to you. Go ahead and check them out. With this, you'll be able to gain more knowledge about this particular project. All the new listed coins are here. You will see them and you'll be able to track some of the coins. With this project, you will get more information about new coins and other new projects. You can go ahead and continue doing the tasks. Share the video. If you have any other question, drop comment at the comment section, or you join their community to access more information from them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.